Do you also own a hotel business and want to automate room bookings via WhatsApp, allowing your guests to book their own stay and receive confirmations automatically? Then you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate hotel bookings via WhatsApp chatbot. And this chatbot can be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow in just 3 simple steps. In step 1, chatbot is created. In step 2, when users send a message, automatically a reply is sent to them. And not just this, automatically the details of all your guests and about their room will be stored in our Google Sheets. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how to create this WhatsApp chatbot and how this works. Welcome back to my screen, hotel owners. Now before telling you how you can create an WhatsApp chatbot to automate your hotel bookings, let me give you a quick real-time example of how this chatbot works. So firstly, I will take you to my WhatsApp screen, and over here I will write a specific keyword, that is book room, and enter it. Now here, as you can see, they have sent me this message. Welcome to Perfect Stays. How can I assist you today? Two options are given over here for book a room and view rooms. So firstly, I will move forward with book a room option over here like this. Now here they're asking me to make a choice for the room. Explore a comfortable and luxurious room. Now I have to click on this open list button like this. And here, as you can see, I have 3 options. Single room, that is 2,000 per night, double room, that is 3,500 per night, and suites is for 5,000 per night. So for example, I want to book a double room for a night, so I will click on this and send this. Now here they're asking me for the check-in date. So I will mention the date over here. So like this, I have mentioned the date for 29 July 2025, and now they're asking me for the checkout date. So I will also mention the checkout date over here. So I have mentioned the date over here now. Now they're asking me, can I have your full name for the reservation? So I will mention my full name over here. So here, as I have mentioned my name as demo user. Now they're asking me, please share your contact number for booking confirmation. So I will mention that. Now here, as you can see, I have mentioned my phone number. Now I have received this message. Your booking for double room from 29 July 2025 to 2nd August 2025 has been confirmed. Total cost is rupees 3,500 per night. Thank you for choosing Perfect Stay. So here, as you can see, the details which I have mentioned in my chat above. Now here in this message, you can see all the details which I have mentioned above, like check-in date, checkout date, the choice preference of my room, and also the cost over here. Now I will click on this confirm button over here to confirm my booking. And here, as you can see, I got this thank you message. Thank you for booking with us. We look forward to hosting you at Perfect Stay. If you need any assistance, feel free to ask. So here, as you can see, my all details are fetched over here. Now also, these details will be automatically be entered in my Google Sheet for hotel booking. Let me take you to my Google Sheets now. So now here, as you can see, my details for demo user, that was my name, room type double room, the check-in date was 29 July, and the total price was 3,500 per night. So here, as you can see, all the details are fetched over here from my WhatsApp chats which I have written over here. Similarly like this, if you also run an hotel business and want to automate this booking confirmations and store it in a Google Sheet, let me give you a step-by-step procedure for doing this. Now let me teach you the step-by-step process how to create a new WhatsApp chatbot. So firstly, you have to go on new tab option. Here you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow, enter it. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is the place where business owners and tech minds connect, share their work, solve problems, and grow with real support and ideas from like-minded people. To join this community, we have the link given in our description. Now we are redirected towards this page. Here we have sign up for free and sign in option. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. We have to scroll down, come to Pabbly Chatflow option, click on Access Now button, and now as you can see, we are directed towards our dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this option Add WhatsApp Number. When we'll click on that, we'll have 2 more options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our dashboard, here we have several icons. Let me teach you one by one what are they used for. Firstly, we have the dashboard option where we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. After that, we have inbox where we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. On third option, we have contacts. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. On fourth one, we have team queues where we can assign chats contacts to specific team members and manage support queues. On fifth option, we have templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. On sixth option, we have broadcast, where we can send bulk WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts using templates. On seventh option, we have flows, where we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. We'll use this today. Next up, we have AI Assistant, which uses AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. Now we have activity logs, where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. After that, we have settings, where we can configure account, business profile, and integrate settings. Last but not the least, we have Get Help, where we can access support, resources, tutorial, and customer assistance. Now let me teach you how to create the flow. We'll go on this flow option, click on the flows button on the first one. Now we will be directed towards this flow builder page. Here we can start building our flow. For that, we have to go towards the right hand side of our screen and click on this Add Flows button over here. After that, we will be directed towards this page. This is our flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. Firstly, here on the top left hand side, we have to give a name to our flow. So I will mention a name like Automate Hotel Bookings via WhatsApp Chatbot and enter it like this. And here on the right hand side, you can see this toggle button. We have to toggle this button on to activate our flow and save our flow with each and every step. And here we can see the trigger tag over here, which will help us start our flow. Here on the left hand side, we have messages and action section, which will help us create our flow. These are all the features which we will use today for creating the flow. So firstly, here in our trigger tag, we have trigger events, that are keywords and regex. So firstly, let me tell you what are keywords. Keywords are specific words or phrases that trigger a chatbot's response. Here we have to write them manually. Coming to regex, they are advanced patterns used to match complex text like phone number, emails, or dates. So today we will move forward with some keywords over here for hotel booking. So I will mention some keywords over here and write them manually. Like for my first keyword is book room, so I have to type it manually and enter it. Similarly, like this, I will do the same with reservations and hotel booking. So like this, I have entered my keywords. Now the customer have to write the same keywords to activate this chatbot. Now moving forward, firstly, I want to give a welcome message to my user. For that, I will go to the messages section over here in the left hand side corner and drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen and join it with the help of thread like this and enter my welcome message over here and also give some buttons. So now here, as you can see, I have given this welcome message in my text button, also given two buttons for book a room and view rooms. So now I will move forward with book a room and view room option. For that, I will add a list of my rooms. So I will again go towards the messages section over here and drag this list option over here in my flow builder screen. Now I will join this list box with my book a room and view rooms option. Now firstly, in this list, we have to enter a header, body, footer, and add section option over here. So firstly, I will move forward with the header option. So now as you can see, I have entered the header and also the body. I don't want to add any footer and it is not a required field, so I'll simply move forward and click on the add section over here like this. Now firstly, I will add a section over here for room types and click on this add items over here. Now I will enter the title of my rooms like single room, double room, and suites, and also enter the description about the price. So now here, as you can see, I have entered my first room type, that is single room, and enter the description for 2000 per night. Now I will move forward like this and click on this add item again. So like this, as you can see, I have entered the details for double room as well, that is 3500 per night. Similarly, I'll move forward and add one more item for suites option over here. So I will click on this add item button, and now here I will mention the suite and also add the description as the night per charge of this room. So here now, as you can see, I have mentioned it for suite as well. Now I will move forward with this room types and firstly go towards my action section over here in the left hand side and select this set custom field over here and drag this in my flow builder. Now I will join this with all three of my room categories one by one. Now I will join it firstly with my single room category like this, and now here for the select contact custom field, I will select room type, and here I have to enter the same value as which I have mentioned over here for the joining text, that is single room. So I will simply copy it from here and paste it in the value over here like this. Similarly, I will move forward with my double room and suite option. So simply I will copy this from here and join it with my double room. But I will change the value over here for the double room and mention double room option over here like this. Moving forward with the suite, I will simply copy this again. To save my time, I will do this and join it with the help of thread to my suite And here in the value, I will enter suite like this. Here as you can see, successfully I have created this contact custom field for all three of my room types. Now I will move forward with the category of my price. So firstly, I will again go back to action section, drag this set custom field over here in my flow builder. And firstly, I will join it with a single room type custom field like this. And here I will select total price like this and enter a value over here. That price have to be same like single room price. That was 2000 per night. So I will simply copy this from here. Like this, I have pasted here in my enter value. But before moving forward, let me quickly tell you how you can create a custom field. But before that, you have to save your flow like this. And now you have to go towards your settings option over here in the left hand side and go towards the third option from the top, that is contact custom field. You have to click on this and now you will be directed towards this page. Here you can create a contact custom field of your own by scrolling down and clicking on this add more option over here. As I have already created the custom fields which I wanted, you can create the custom field which you want as well. But you have to keep in mind that this field is case sensitive and you cannot use space in between. So you have to use this underscore over here like this. So like this, as you can see, I have created it for customer address. Now I have to click on the save button over here in the bottom like this, and here as you can see, contact custom field saved successfully. Now we will go back to our flow builder page. So now we will move forward with the contact custom field for the price with double room category. So I will simply copy this again over here and join it with my double room category and change the per night cost over here as per double room. That was 3500 per night. I will copy it and paste it over here. Now I will move forward with the similar steps of process for suite and change the price as per the suite. So I will copy this 5000 per night over here and paste it over here. So like this, we have successfully created our contact custom field for room type and total price. Also, we have learned how we can create a new custom field. So now we will move forward by asking questions to our customers who have selected the room as well as the price. So for that, we will again go towards our action section and go towards this ask question option over here and drag this in our flow builder screen like this. Now we will join it with every custom field of price like this with the help of the thread. Now firstly, we will mention our question over here. So my first question is, what is your check-in date? So for the select custom field, I will select the date option over here, check-in date like this, and for the format we will select any, as the customer can write date in any format, that can be numeric or in alphabets as well. So now moving forward, I'll again copy this question box over here like this. I have copied this question box over here and join it with my check-in box, and now here I will change it from check-in to checkout. What's your checkout date? So here I will mention the select custom field as checkout date, and for the format I will again go with any. Moving forward, I will ask one more question over here. For that, I'll again copy this question box, and now here I will ask for the name of my customers like this. Can I have your full name for the reservation? For the custom field, I will select customer name like this. And here for the format, I will choose text. And here for the number of attempts, I will give 3 to make my user have more number of attempts to fill the correct name. Now moving forward, I will again copy this question box over here and join it with my name question. Now here I will ask them about their contact number. So now here as you can see, I have mentioned the question for please share your contact number for booking confirmation. Here for the contact custom field, I will select customer contact, and here for the format, I will choose any over here again. Now as soon as my customer fills all of these details, I want to send them a confirmation message for their room booking. So for that, I will again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, and firstly join it with my question tag of phone number, and now I will enter the message over here. Here to make this field more dynamic, I will add the details of customers over here. So for that, firstly, we will go towards the room type. So to make this field dynamic, you have to save this, and now we have to go back towards our settings option, and here we have to go towards our contact custom fields again and copy the custom field for check-in date, checkout date, room type, and also the total price like this. As you can see, I have copied it. Now I will take you back to my flows, and here we have to paste it like this. As we will paste it, automatically it will be fetched here as the $sign. So like this, I have done it already, and similarly like this, we have to do the same with room type, check-in dates, checkout dates, and also the total price over here like this. Now you saw how we have made this field a dynamic field by entering the details of the customers. Now when the different customers will fill these details, automatically this field will be created as dynamic field. Now we have made this message a dynamic message. Now we will move forward and add a button over here for confirmation. Also, if you want to make your text bold, you simply we have to use this asterisk signs over here like this. Now moving forward, we have to add a API key over here because we have to store all of these data into our Google Sheet. So for that, we will go towards our action section. Here we will go towards this API request and drag this over here in our flow builder. Now we will join it with our confirmation message like this. And here firstly, they're asking for the webhook URL. So we will click on this box here, and now for the first option we have this select option, and here we have to enter or paste a URL. So firstly we will click on this drop down button, and instead of get we will choose post as we have to post the data. Now here we have to enter a URL over here. So for getting the URL, firstly we have to go towards our Pabbly Connect account. Here we have to create a new workflow for that. So firstly, we will click on this create workflow for creating it. And now here we will select the new beta version as it is modern, faster and more flexible. Now here in the create workflow dialog box, they're asking us for giving a workflow name. So we will mention a name over here. So here I have given it a name as automate hotel bookings via WhatsApp chatbot. For the folder, I will select Chatflow folder over here and click on this create option. Here as you can see, workflow created successfully. Now coming towards this workflow builder page of our Pabbly Connect, here we have to choose the triggers and action. In Pabbly Connect, there are two very important aspects, that is trigger and action. Trigger is the starting point, the event that initiates the workflow, and action is the resulting task that happens automatically after the trigger. So firstly, here for the trigger, we have to choose Pabbly Chatflow, and for the app event, we have to choose new message received. Now here after clicking on the connect button, you can see we got this webhook URL over here. Also we have the set of instructions which we have to follow for pasting this webhook URL. So firstly we have to copy this, and now we will move back to our Pabbly chat flow where we were building our flows. Now here we will paste our webhook URL. And now moving forward, we have this parameters. So firstly we have to select the contact custom field from here, for customer name, price, check-in date, and also for the room type. So firstly, we will select the customer's name like this. Now we have to copy this text over here before the $sign and paste it in a key like this. Similarly, we will move forward and add some more field. For that, we have to click on this add more fields button. Now here we will select the price of the room. So for that, we will select this total price, copy the total price and paste it in our key like this. Moving forward, we have to do the same with check-in date. One more field we will be adding, that is for room type. Now we have to click on this test button, and now here as you can see, API request successful. Now I will again take you back to my Pabbly Connect account, and now here as you can see, I have received this response 8 seconds ago, and I have received all the response over here for total price, room type, customer name and check-in date. So now I will close this from here, and now I will add an action step. So I will click on this plus button over here and select Google Sheets from here, because in that I have to store my data. So I will select Google Sheets, and for the app event, I will select add new row and click on this connect button. If you already have an existing connection, you can choose this existing connection over here, but I want to create a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection over here. Now they're asking us to sign in with Google. So we will click on this, and now here we will select our email ID. Now after that, they're asking us to select a spreadsheet. So we will simply select the spreadsheet which we have already created, that is hotel bookings like this, and automatically it will fetch the sheet like sheet 1. Now we have to map the fields for customer name, room type, check-in date and total price over here. Here mapping in Pabbly Connect means linking data from one step to another. It allows dynamic transfer of values between triggers and action steps. So firstly we will map the customer name from here. Here we will simply search name and select this customer name. Similarly, moving forward with room type, check-in date and at last total price. So like this, as you can see, I have mapped all the data from here. Now we have to click on this save and send test request button. Now here as you can see, I have received this response over here. Now we will close this again. Now firstly, I will take you towards my Google Sheet. So here as you can see, again the custom name, room type, check-in date and total price field is created over here. So now if we will go back to our flow builder page over here and click on the save button, like this we have saved this API request over here successfully. But before moving forward, I also want to add a thank you message for my customer for choosing perfect stay. So for that, I will again go towards my messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen and join it with my API key and write my message over here. So now here, as you can see, I have written my thank you message as well. Now for activating this flow, we have to toggle this button on and save it. So here, as you can see, flow updated successfully. Now I will again take you back to my WhatsApp screen, and now here I will again write the same keyword that was book room and enter it. Now here I got this message over here again. So similarly, if I will click on book a room again, they will send me this list where I have to choose my room. So for example, I will choose single room this time, and now I will show you with filling all of my data over here. So now here, as you can see, I have entered some dummy details like for check-in date 2 August, checkout date that is 4 August, for the name I have given it as dummy user, and for the contact number I have mentioned it over here. So similarly, as you have seen before, they have again sent me this message, your booking for single room from 2 August to 4 August has been confirmed. Total cost is 2000 per night. So now I will click on this confirm button, and now here, as you can see, they again sent me this thank you message. Now I will again take you back to my Google Sheet and show you the data which we have received from here. So here, as you can see, we have received one more data that was for dummy user, single room, the number which I have mentioned, and also the total price of my room. So similarly like this, you can also create this automation for your hotel bookings in just few easy steps. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.